Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
We're gonna try Dell's frozen lemonade here. There it is. Been around Rhode Island for years. Let's take a look at this. What's in your Dell's? Open it up. Let me see it.
What do you mean? What's in the lemonade?
It's ice, sugar, and lemon? And is that it? Or
I think so.
Yeah?
I'm not sure. I don't make it.
Can I get a small one?
Small lemon?
Well, show me the sizes.
Alright, so this is a mini, small, medium, large, jumbo.
How much is the mini versus the small?
The mini is $125 and the small is $225.
Oh, let me just have a small then. Yeah.
Small?
Yeah.
And you want regular lemon?
Yeah. Let me see you do that. So there's different ones now.
Oh yeah.
But when I grew up, it was all just lemon.
Oh, I know.
So what do they have? Different flavors?
Yeah.
Oh, watermelon and grapefruit and stuff.
Yeah, everyone loves watermelon.
Is that how it goes? Here, there you go.
Thank you.
You saw me. I gave a nice tip. And now they have watermelon. I think they have cranberry. They have all kind of stuff. But this is what I grew up with. The voice you hear in the back, that's my mother talking to herself. But Dell's fresh fruit. Stop at the sign of the lemon. This has been around since. Do they have it since? It's since I was a kid.
Oh yeah.
Probably over 50 years. I'm not that old. Let's try it. Refreshing. The only thing missing is some vodka. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365, and I'll see you later.
Live life 365.
Don't shut that off, because I'm going to do goofy things. Take a picture of that right there. Have some Dell's frozen lemonade. Have some Dell's frozen lemonade. I tried. Oh my God, she's chewing it. I've never seen anything like it. What just happened? Oh, your teeth. Take your teeth back. And that's the end of it. There you go. Shut it off. And then there's a close-up of the Dell's. Okay. I'm a food blogger, so I'm doing Dell's. How many Dell's are around, you know?
I'm actually not sure. I know there's another one around Bald Hill.
And there's one in North Kingstown on Post Road.
I think there's one in Richmond.
Here, take a tip. Put that change in there.
Thank you.
And then take $1. See?
Thank
Whoa, my money.
you. Yep.
Now she's trying to take all of it. All right.